Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to quickly show you the adaptive cruise control and probably the lane keep assist, which is actually called the Smart Pilot Assist in the smart vehicle. So to engage your smart cruise control, just simply press the middle button over here. That will set at your current driving speed to your Smart Pilot Assist activated. So press the plus and minus will change your set speed, push and hold will go 5x5, and single tap will go 1x1. Once you have selected the set speed, it will drive on your set speed if the road is not clear, of course. But right now, there is traffic in front of us. It's going to slow down according to the traffic. Left and right arrow button will change your distance between the front vehicle. You can set it to 3 or to 2 or to 1. You can see the bar change on the dashboard or on your head-up display if that's available. Under the Smart Pilot Assist, you also kind of get the steering assist. You can see the vehicle is holding your steering to keep in the lane center and following the front traffic at the same time. It works really well actually, but do remember, don't take your hands off the steering at all. It will give you beeps and may stop working after a few seconds. Whenever you drive the vehicle, it's always recommended to keep your hands on the steering. But what this does is it's going to give you small assist going around the corners or small 1D road like this, and it will do stop-start traffic for you, which is again very handy. For you to stop the Pilot Assist, you can do the cancel cruise control over here, or you can apply the brake. That will be cancelled. At any time, if you want to resume, as long as you haven't switched off just yet, you press this to resume, or press this to reset, basically, to that driving speed. Right now we're keeping one distance, right now we're keeping two distance. Now I've changed to one. You can see it's securing the target. That means we're following the front traffic. And yeah, the overall work logic of that is very smooth. You can see the steering again. Bad example, but I'm showing you how that works around the steering control. It's not aggressive, and even if you hold it, even if you turn it, you can see it does not engage right away compared to some other vehicles on the market. You can feel it works just really well. Now around the corner, this is probably the time we want to disengage so we can do giveaway and things. And like I said, if you want to resume the cruise control, just press the resume on the top. It will resume back to the 80 Smart Pilot Assist. And the vehicle will pick up, try to reach 80 as long as the condition allows. And it will secure the lanes as well. You can see it just holds your steering really well. Again, this is purely for testing. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to have my hands around the steering. And it's going to take this lane just so easily. It's quite good, isn't it? After some seconds, it will start giving us warnings if you don't have your hands on the steering, of course. It kind of amazed me how it's still working really well on country road like this. This is not certain motorways or highways. That means the landmarking can be a little bit off over here, just like that. But the car is still, focusing on what's in front of it. That's able to do whatever you want it to do. And it's going to be a big turn over here. Let's see how it goes. How cool is that? Again, I did not turn anything on the steering. Of course, it's going to give me warnings. But yeah, that works quite good. Go again. So this is the kind of the merge lane. Let's see how they deal with that. You can see we are slowly moving towards the right, and yeah. Over here I'm gonna hold it, by the way. I can't let it go. But you can see it does not engage at all. It does not You can see it does not disengage at all, even if I'm holding it. It's still controlling part of the steering. I know this is probably not the best area for these sort of things, but it's a good test for these sort of features. Now we're going to go back to 50 to drop it low. And then you can see the drop. It's quite fast response on the set speed after the speed has been changed. Again, the handles great. Yeah, even on a big curve like this, kind of does the job very well. Let's see if we can see the lens. Yeah, there we go. I think every single time when you see the lens merging or anything like that, the car kind of followed the existing lens that was there and wait for the merging lens to come around. Now let's go left on this lane. Of course, that'll change, and then that will start. Alright, here we'll brake. Do you like that feature? Do you think that works quite well compared to other competitors? Please let me know in the comments. Again, this is just a small test to show you how that could work and show how that works in traffic or even 1D road like this. I hope you found the video helpful. If you do not forget to subscribe, like. That's the best way to support the channel. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.